Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making one of my favorite drinks, a strawberry milkshake. This milkshake is so delicious and it's super easy to make. So let's start making our milkshake. Here I have my vanilla ice cream that I just took out of the freezer, and today I have about 6 scoops of ice cream. This milkshake is for 2 people, so if you're just making it for 1, you can split this recipe in half. I have about 20 strawberries today that I'm adding into my milkshake, and I've just chopped the ends off of them. And I'm going to add these into my blender along with my milk. I have a 1/4 cup of whole milk, but you can really use any milk of your choice. And also you can make this vegan by using dairy-free ice cream, dairy-free milk, it's up to you. And this is optional. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The last ingredient I'm going to be adding in is some homemade strawberry jam. You are going to want to use 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam in this recipe. If you want to see the recipe for this, it'll be in the description down below, or I'll post it at the end of the video over here. So now we can blend our milkshake all together. Well, doesn't that look delicious? And I'm absolutely obsessed with the color. It's such a beautiful pink, and it's such a light pink too, my favorite color. So now I'm going to be making some homemade whipped cream to top my milkshake up with. The thing I love about making whipped cream is it's so easy. All you need is 3 ingredients and just to blend it together. So I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream that I'm going to add in, along with 1 teaspoon of sugar. And this last is optional, but I love vanilla extract, so I usually add it into almost everything. And I have 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And now we can just beat this on a high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is whipped cream. And we're done. It was so easy, and the one test I know for whipped cream to make sure it is stiff enough, I can flip it and it doesn't go anywhere. If you want, you can just put this on your milkshake, or if you want to get a little fancy like I'm doing today, we can put it in a piping bag and pipe it on. Now let's pour our milkshake into our chilled glass. And I've decorated my milkshake with a strawberry, so it's all beautiful and super cute. I think this is a diner level quality milkshake right here. And now the best part, getting to taste it. It's so delicious, so packed full of strawberries. I absolutely love this shake, and I think you will too. Please let me know if you try this drink and what you think in the comments down below. And if you want the recipe for my strawberry jam or my other milkshake recipes, a link will be right here or over here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!